yeah, yeah. Oh, Lord. So many reasons why I want it for you, my love. Now you want to retire with my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me no.